Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Mastercard is in talks to buy Zero Hash, following earlier interest in BVNK in a push toward 24/7 stablecoin settlement. The deals could give Mastercard a turnkey on-chain payment stack, accelerating its move from pilot to production. AMD forecast fourth quarter revenue above market estimates, betting on the multi-billion-dollar expansions of data center infrastructure to boost demand for its artificial intelligence chips. The company expects revenue of about $9.6 billion for the quarter. Oil prices settled lower as weaker manufacturing numbers and a stronger dollar weighed on demand, while the OPEC Plus decision to pause output hikes in the first quarter of next year could signal the group's concern about a potential supply glut.
The sterling-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.